Ryan Hildreth. Hi, my name is Glenn Allanigue from Carmona, Cavite, Philippines, and I'm doing a review of Ryan Hildreth and his company cashflowchannels.com. I'm one of the voiceover talents of Ryan's company, and I'm proud to be one of the talents of Cashflow. Such an amazing team. And I'd also like to express my appreciation to Louisa. She's always there, ready to help whenever I have questions. And of course, would always take actions to our request. I could still remember Ryan's team was able to provide me voiceover jobs in a snap of a finger. That fast. I enjoy my work as a voiceover talent since Cashflow hired me in January 2022. Aside from the good compensation, one thing I also enjoy is that I can maintain a life-work balance. I am also thankful that whenever I lose a client, Ryan's team never stops finding me another one as a replacement. So thank you guys. So if you're looking for a job that fits your skills, Cashflow Channels and Ryan's team, they're the best. Thank you guys and have fun.